Hi, I am Rajini. I am a student excellence coach and a life coach. This video is about childhood and the pandemic. It's the second year where the children are locked in their houses. I don't think they can go to the schools even this year. Now, what shall we do as elders? That's the question that I, as a life coach, wish to address today. First, we shall become children ourselves. We shall get into the shoes of the children. We must play, we must talk, we must enjoy our time with the children. And that's a chance life has given us also to really revisit our childhoods. Now, we are locked in the houses, so are the children. Their spaces are restricted. They don't have friends to go and play out. So, what do? Well, let us engage with them, talk to them, all kinds of jokes, all kinds of stories. We shall become elders, we shall become children, we shall become teachers, we shall become actors, we shall become everything to the children. That challenge as elders, we must take it upon ourselves. And third, schools are about to reopen. What shall we do? When the schools will reopen, the teachers cannot become the teachers asking for discipline and asking for academic excellence. I think especially for children below 12 years, what teachers will have to look out for is ensuring that a bonding is built. The students can speak their hearts out to the teachers that they can relate to. Every child will have his or her favorite teacher, and that teacher will have to take the responsibility of the kid. The managements will also have to address this very special question during the pandemic. Excellence is important, but most important is happiness, and happiness in this special times of pandemic. And for children, it is all the more important because these are the formative years of their lives. This is the time when their best creative minds will be expressed. So even parents will have to spend a lot of time giving them artwork, giving them storybooks, telling them stories, doing some simple science experiments at home, giving them lot of activity, and that will have to be planned by people inside the house. If it is a joint family, there is some special advantage. At least there are few more people to speak, but then these days every household is a nuclear household, so that joy is also not there anymore. Parents have the highest responsibility, and second are the teachers. Teachers will have to be more jubilant. They have to talk a lot of things to the students. They have to have a lot of smile on their face. They have to come up with so many creative ways of teaching. It's not good anymore just to instruct them to write, instruct them to read. No, children will not be able to handle this for long. New ways have to be developed. So, in my next video, I will share about what creative activities the teachers and the parents can share or devise for their children, with their children during the times of the pandemic. Thank you. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for many more interesting videos. Thank you.